If you've ever wondered how to add Telegram group links or how to join the very latest Telegram groups, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be confidently joining new communities and effortlessly sharing group links with others. Whether you're brand new to Telegram or just want to sharpen your skills, this guide will make things crystal clear. Let's jump right in, starting with how to add a Telegram group link. First, open up the Telegram app on your phone or computer. This is your main gateway to thousands of groups and conversations. Make sure you're signed into your account so you're ready to go. To add a group link, you'll need to select the group that you want to share or invite others to join. So scroll through your chat list and tap on your group. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search feature at the top. Just type the group name to quickly locate it. Now, once you're inside your group chat, look towards the upper corner of your screen for the three little dots. That's the More Options menu. On mobile devices, this is usually in the top right. Go ahead and tap those three dots to open up a new set of options. From here, you'll want to select Manage Group. This is where all the behind-the-scenes settings and controls for your group live. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry, it's quite straightforward and each option is labeled clearly. You're looking for invite links. This option lets you create links that people can click to join your group instantly, which is perfect for sharing your group in public forums or sending invites to friends. Once you've found and tapped invite links, you'll see any existing invite links you've created. But for a fresh start, tap on Create New Link. Telegram will generate a unique invitation that you can copy and paste wherever you want. In an email, on social media, or even in another Telegram chat. If you're organizing a study group, hosting a book club, or just building a community around your favorite hobby, sharing this link is a much easier and quicker way of inviting new members than adding people one by one. Now let's move on to joining the latest Telegram groups. Maybe you're looking for new friends, fresh topics, or trending communities. Start by using the global search function. At the top of your Telegram home screen, there's a search bar. Tap it and type in Latest Group. Take a moment here. Telegram will show you a mix of public groups, channels, and chats. Scroll through the search results and browse the group names and descriptions. Feel free to pick one that suits your interests or just seems lively and active. Once you've found a group you'd like to join, simply tap the group name. This opens a preview, letting you check out the participants and recent messages before jumping in. If it looks like a good fit, tap Join Group. That's it, you're now part of a new community with just a couple of taps. Don't worry if a group is full or closed. There are plenty of public groups out there, and you can always try searching alternate keywords if you're looking for something specific. So that's the full process, from generating and sharing Telegram group links to finding and joining the newest groups out there. If you found this guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.